Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light bulb in an Amana refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light bulb. This light bulb illuminates the dispenser area. It's located in the upper right corner inside the dispenser. If the light doesn't come on when the display button is pressed, the light bulb should be checked and replaced if needed. The light bulb that we're replacing is right in there, behind the cover panel, in that corner. We're going to grab it and turn it counterclockwise to unscrew. This is the old light bulb next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the light bulb, we are going to place it into the socket and turn it clockwise. And then tighten it. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.